Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Pat and Bunker. Today I got a little something different for you. I like outdoor stuff. I like hunting. I like fishing, shooting guns, three-wheelers, four-wheelers, all that stuff. So today I'm bringing you this. My Big Red that I have, kind of my service rack, homemade, of course, obviously, by the looks, that I use to service pivots and go in and go check all my irrigation and stuff. Runs great. Good old girl. Been faithful since the day I got her. Absolutely beautiful. Not a leak, not a seep, not nothing. It's just been an absolutely rock solid machine. But what do I have here? Storm damage from last night. So obviously she gets it because she's got a little extra weight in her ass right now. So anyway, we're going to try to pull that limb out of that tree and see if we can get rid of it. I don't know. We'll find out here just shortly. So, chain's already hooked up. We're going to see if we can get this thing busted out of there. All right. Contact. Whoa, what the hell's wrong with you? Okay. I'm going to put you over my shoulder and see if we can get this thing pulled down. Oh yeah, look at that. Got her pulled down. Woohoo! Alright, now let's go around the other side. See if we can pull this bad boy to that tree line over there. Pretty heavy branch, but we're gonna give her a shot. I just pulled another one that was not connected to the tree out and around. So this one might be fun because this one didn't lay right. Probably should have just pulled it straight out, but we're gonna find out what we can do here. And hopefully I will have minimal cleanup to do, not a whole bunch of little branches since it was green. Pretty good windstorm that came through today, or last night, actually. Wasn't nearly as bad as some of the poor SOBs north and east of me. They had like grapefruit size hail. I seen a picture on the internet. This gal was in her camper. Well, then of course I drove right over the freaking chain like a moron. And she was in her camper. This is up by Gothenburg, Nebraska. 4 grapefruit sized come right through her camper roof while she was in it. It was like somebody was shelling her with mortars. Intact. They didn't even break when they came inside and hit the floor. That's pretty bad. So, I don't know, we're going to see if we can get this branch wrangled around. So, give me 2 seconds. America. Uh-oh. And my chain fell off the ball hitch. I really need to get a clevis for this thing. All in 2 seconds. Let's see if the old red can still do work. Do some pulling. Okay, we're hooked. Keep it going. Keep it working. Woohoo! I'm gonna have to get some speed up if I'm gonna make it to the tree line. And I think I just broke something. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what that was. Nah, she's not broke. She's fine. Back up just a little bit, sweetie. Alright. Old Red can still do work. So anyway, yeah, the old Big Red still gets put to work a lot around here. So anyway, have a great day. Stay safe, carry your weapon. And thanks for watching.